Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Steam gift card. So all you have to do is launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account. And once you get to this homepage, all you have to do is click on games at the top left corner. So here it is, click on it, and then select redeem a Steam wallet code. Now from here, you should see this option, enter your Steam wallet code to earn funds to your Steam wallet. So all you have to do is type that particular code that you have and then type it in on this page. And then from here, you can click on continue and follow the instructions that might appear. And keep in mind, there's a note down here. If the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will be automatically converted if redeemable in your region. Not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions. So simply type in the Steam gift card and then click on continue and follow the instructions that may appear. Let's say, for instance, if you don't have the Steam application installed on your PC, you can also do this from the web browser. So all you have to do is go to this website, the Steam website, which is store.steampower.com. And then from here, click on login to sign into your account. So you're signing your account. So give me a few seconds and sign in. And then if you have an authenticator, all you have to do is accept the prompt that appears on either your phone or instead you can select enter a code instead, and they will send you a code to that particular email. So since I have the Steam application, all I just have to do is approve it on my end and then give it a few seconds. And then once you're signed into your account, all you have to do is locate your profile name here and then click on the amount that you can see just below your name. So click on that and then click on add funds to your Steam wallet. And then from here, you should see this option, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, sorry. And then from here now you can type in that particular code and press continue and follow the instructions to redeem that particular Steam gift card. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.